when you have the best lighting ever, but you're driving and you're just minding your business and listening to one of your favorite songs, and in the back of your head you're thinking, damn, I look great with this filter. But then at the same time you're like, after I share, everybody that I know who will have an issue when they hear the music in the background, like, oh my god, she is listening to music, haram alek. Have you ever done anything that you think is not right? A slightly little khata dambi weligaa ma samaysay? If you did, you'll be okay with this. If not, it is okay. Let's just have fun.